Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you a brief rundown on how to chat with characters using Linky AI. Now, Linky AI is one of the best AI character chatbots available on your mobile device. It is available on Android and on your Apple devices. So once you've downloaded, you're going to be brought to this this homepage, and as you can see here, you can chat with anybody. For example, let's chat with Miss Harper. It's very easy. If you find somebody that you like, for example, for this example, we're going to use Miss Harper. So tapping that will, of course, give you an ad. And this is one of the most annoying things. It's bearable, but it is quite annoying sometimes, especially when you're in the mood, when you're in a pool situation or serious situation. So just skip, right? And this is going to be the first of what you're going to see. You're going to see the AI art. This is obviously AI art, but it's fine. It says here, Miss Harper, 28, is a rookie teacher, chill but firm. She's got your back, helping you catch up post-surgery with after-school sessions and extra credit. So this is pretty much a situation and a character rundown for you. And same with the AI's first initial dialogues. She says, you made it, grins, grab a chair, we've got a ton to cover. Now, to chat with Miss Harper, first, you need to tap on this, and you're gonna have your keypad. So you can say thanks, ma'am, or whatever. The good thing about Linky AI is that it's not case sensitive, so it's gonna do that. No worries, kiddo. I'm here to help you out. Now, another thing you can do is to add more creativity to your roleplay with Linky AI characters is tap on the pound sign like this, and this is going to give you a action. So I can say size, right? As you can see here, they're gonna react. They reacted. Hey, what's wrong? You seem troubled. Another thing you can do is, instead of typing, if you're lazy to type, is to tap on the volume, somewhat of a volume icon on the left hand side like this. And see, it says hold to speak. So if you hold this, I can't do it because we're recording right now. If you press hold, this is text to speech, a very good one at that. So it identifies pauses, it identifies questions. So you get apostrophes, you get question marks, apostrophes if you're yelling, question marks if you're asking a question. When you pause, it's going to give you a comma. So it's another easier way to communicate with the AI and chat with the AI. It's so much better than others, in my opinion. I've tried a few, and so far Linky is one of the best. And yeah, that's pretty much how you chat with Linky AI characters. That's the video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.